Hi guys, this is Ashish, founder of DotSuite. In this video, I'll show you a simple and practical way to do keyword research in 2026. Not by guessing keywords, but by using what's already working in your market. The biggest mistake most people make is starting with random keywords. But the smarter way is to start with your competitors because they're already ranking and they're already getting traffic. Inside DotSuite, you can quickly identify your competitors and then see exactly which keywords are bringing them traffic, which pages are ranking, and what's actually working for them. This gives you a huge advantage because you're not starting from scratch, you're building on proven data.
Now, once you identify those keywords, the next step is to expand them into more opportunities. With a single click inside DotSuite, you can find related keywords, long tail variations, and additional opportunities around the same topic. So instead of working with just one keyword, you now have a complete cluster you can target.
Now here's where things go beyond traditional SEO. It's not just about Google anymore. People are also searching through AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini, and the way they search is different. DotSuite helps you take those same keywords and turn them into AI search prompts. So now you're not just optimizing for search engines, you're also building visibility in AI platforms. Once you have identified the right keywords or prompts, the next step is execution. And this is where DotSuite simplifies everything. With just one click, the AI engine helps you generate ready-to-publish content structured around search intent and optimized for performance. So instead of spending hours planning and writing, you can move much faster and stay consistent. Once your content is live, you can move those keywords into the keyword tracker. From there, DotSuite continuously monitors your rankings, tracks your performance, and shows how your visibility improves over time. So the entire workflow becomes very simple. You find competitor keywords, expand them into opportunities, turn them into content, and track your growth. And that's how you move from just doing keyword research to actually getting results. If you want to try this yourself, you can get started by signing up and entering your domain, and you'll immediately see how everything connects. Thanks for watching.